Hello everybody, and thank you one more time for being here and watching the video. A great welcome from part of ahorraryganarhoy.com. Let's take a fast look about AliExpress, eBay and another merchants that gives you good products at good prices, but being a smart customer, being part of Cashback, you are going to have more and more benefits buying the same thing in the same place with more benefits. And we can have a look of how to do that. So once you are a member, and I believe that you are already because you saw the other videos and you register yourself, you are going to have access to your back office. In the case that you are not a customer yet, a smart customer, you can do it right now with the link that you have it below. So in the case that you are in your back office, the only thing that you have to do is search, for example, for eBay. In this case, you are going to find eBay. Anytime I recommend you to take a look at the general conditions. Okay, read carefully in every online store that you are going to buy, and the only thing that you have to do is buy online now. They are going to redirect you on eBay. You are going to go shop wherever you need, and for just doing one more click you are going to receive this cashback benefits, cashback and shopping points, nothing more. Also, talking about the eBay, I'm sure that you already buy online, and in this case I'm going to tell you what you are going to find also in Cashback as a smart Cashback user. You're going to find Deals Extreme. Okay, the same thing, buy online right now. We are going to redirect you to their webpage, and you can buy whatever you need. Just one simple step gives you a lot of benefits, cashback and shopping points. We can go also to see MediaMarkt here in Spain. You have different discounts. And you can do the same. Buy online now. You go on the web page, and that it's all. Another online store here in Spain, it's the Phone House. Also, the same that I told you, I recommend you to read the general conditions. The same thing to do. Buy online now. So let's see a few more. In this case, you have also El Corte Inglés. You have Banggood, that's pretty more like AliExpress or something like that. You have Gearbest. Also in this case you have some deals that you can use it. And also it's pretty new, Vayava, another online store where you can find smartphones. Xiaomi, that's a pretty good brand lately. It's getting the market in Spain for the moment. Smartbands, tablets, and a lot more things. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching us. In the case that you are not a smart customer, you can do it right now in the link that you have below in the video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.